Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to remove or disable AI features in Windows 11, so you can save system resources and reduce background activity. First, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click Personalization. Click Taskbar. Find Copilot and turn the toggle off. This removes the Copilot button from your taskbar. Click Apps. Click Installed Apps. Find Copilot in the list if available. Click the three dots next to it and click Uninstall if the option appears. If Uninstall is not available, the feature is integrated into Windows. Next, go back to Settings and click Privacy and Security. Now click Speech. Turn off online speech recognition if you do not use voice typing. Go back and click Diagnostics and Feedback. Set diagnostic data to required only. Turn off tailored experiences. Now click System. Click Notifications. Scroll down and turn off Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. These steps reduce AI-driven suggestions and background processing. Restart your computer after making changes. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.